In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your payment methods on Gumroad using Google. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting out, it's essential to ensure your payment details are accurate and up to date. This will not only ensure smooth transactions, but also help in maintaining the trust of your customers. So let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Gumroad website. This is the platform where you'll manage your sales and payment details. If you're not already logged in, you'll want to sign into your account by entering your email and password. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with the Gumroad dashboard, which is your main hub for all things related to your content and sales. Next, you'll need to navigate to the Settings section on the dashboard. On this page, you'll find various options to customize and manage your account. Look for the Payments tab, as this is where you'll make the necessary adjustments. Clicking on Payments will redirect you to the Payment Settings page. Take a moment to review the information displayed to ensure you're in the right place. Now scroll down a bit to locate the Payment Methods section. Here, you'll be able to see the current payment methods linked to your account. It's important to keep this section up to date, especially if there have been changes to your bank account details or if you're switching to a new payment provider. By maintaining an updated payment method, you ensure that there's no disruption in receiving payments from your customers, which is obviously a critical component of your business on Gumroad. Once you're in the Payment Methods section, updating your details is straightforward. Simply click on the method you currently have on file, or add a new one if necessary. If you're entering new payment information, double-check the details you provide to avoid any accidental errors that might lead to missed payments or processing issues. That's pretty much it. Once you've completed updating or confirming your payment details, you're all set. Make sure to regularly check your settings to prevent any issues that could arise from outdated information. Regular reviews will keep your Gumroad account running smoothly and efficiently, allowing you to focus on creating and distributing your content without any hitches. And there you have it, a simple but thorough guide to managing your payment settings on Gumroad with the help of Google. Don't forget to save your changes before exiting, and feel free to test out a transaction to ensure everything works perfectly. Thanks for tuning in, and happy selling on Gumroad.